Good evening, class 12. Continuing with the accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a new partner. We had done, girls, the first case where the new partner brings in his share of premium of goodwill in cash. We had discussed the accounting treatment for that. The first entry is for the cash brought in by the new partner. Second entry will be the goodwill distributed by the new partner to the old partner's capital account, and the third entry we discussed in case the existing partners, the old partners, withdraw their share of goodwill that has been given to them by the new partner. Now we proceed with the next accounting treatment when the goodwill already appears in the books at the time of admission of the new partner, and the new partner brings his share of goodwill of premium in cash. New partner is bringing his share of goodwill in cash, but when the new partner comes, when he joins, goodwill is already there at the time of goodwill is already there in the balance sheet. Then what do we do? The goodwill that is already there, that is first written off. Written off means, see, writing off an asset means it is finished off. We scrap that off. Goodwill is an asset. Assets have debit balance. When we raise goodwill account, goodwill is debited. When we write off goodwill account is credited. Assets are credited when they are written off. So we finish off this goodwill by distributing this goodwill, or this goodwill being taken away by the old partners. So old partners capital accounts debited to goodwill. Goodwill is being written off in which ratio? It belongs to the old partners. It is going to the old partners. So it will be written off in the old ratio. The entry in addition to the other entries which the new partner will make when the goodwill is brought in cash. This is the first entry at that time. See the case given here. Aarti and Bharti, this is the question in a textbook. Aarti and Bharti are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Sarthi as a new partner, and the new profit sharing ratio will be 2:1:1. Sarthi brought rupees 1 lakh. New partner is bringing rupees 1 lakh for her share of goodwill. Goodwill already appeared in the books of Aarti and Bharti at that time when Sarthi got admitted. Goodwill is already there at 60,000, and goodwill has been brought by the new partner, and the new ratio, old ratio have been given. Old ratio is given, new ratio is given. We know what to do. We will find the sacrifice ratio. The first thing will be finding out of the sacrifice ratio. And how do we find the sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio is old ratio minus the new ratio. So we calculate the sacrifice ratio. Old minus new. Old is 3:2, 3/5 and 2/5, minus the new ratio 2:2:1. That is the new ratio. We minus this from this, and this is the sacrificing ratio. We get the sacrifice ratio. Now what do we do with the sacrifice ratio? Hence the sacrifice ratio comes to be 2:3. Now the journal entries. Then we come to the journal entries. The old partners. The first we write off the old goodwill. This was the old goodwill written off in the partner's capital account in the old ratio of 3:2. Aarti's debit, Bharti debit to goodwill. And this is the new goodwill that is brought by the new partner. Bank to premium for goodwill, and then the premium for goodwill. This goodwill that is brought by the new partner is distributed among the old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Remember, writing off of the previous goodwill in the old ratio, new goodwill being distributed in the sacrifice ratio. Then case is when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill of premium of goodwill in cash. This is recommendation of accounting standard 26. When the new partner is coming and the new partner is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash, at that time the goodwill account is raised. What do we do? This time, new partner's current account with his share of goodwill. to old partner's capital account. New partner's current account, old partner's capital account in the sacrifice ratio. This share of goodwill he is not bringing in cash. So whatever his share of goodwill, we find out the value of firm's goodwill. With the firm's goodwill and the new ratio, we find out the old new partner's share of goodwill. This share of goodwill will be credited to the old partner's capital account in the sacrifice ratio. Otherwise he brings it in cash. Premium for goodwill to old partners. यहाँ goodwill आई नहीं है. So new partner's current account to old partner's current account. The current account of new partners debited from his share of goodwill at admission of the partner of the old partners, and that is in the sacrifice ratio. And there is a question that has been done with this. See, A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C into the partnership with 1/4 share in the future profits. C is admitted with 1/4 share in the future profits. The new profit sharing ratio is rupees 5:4:3. C brings into the business rupees 50,000 for his share of capital, but could not bring any amount for goodwill. He is bringing his share of capital and no goodwill. The firm's goodwill on C's admission was rupees valued at 48,000. This is the firm's goodwill. This can be asked to be found out also. So by super profit, average profit, capitalization of average, super, by any of those methods we can find out the value of firm's goodwill. With the firm's goodwill, we find out the new partner's share of goodwill, and new partner's share of goodwill will be required to make the journal entries. So this is the value of the total goodwill of the firm. 48,000 is given. C's share of goodwill will be 1/4. He is 1/4 share. According to the new ratio, 1/4 share, that is 12,000. Firm's goodwill into 1/4, 12,000. Then we calculate sacrifice ratio, that is old minus the new ratio, which is easily discussed. Sacrifice ratio comes out to be 11:4. The journal entries now, what we have to be careful about: bank to C's capital. This is the capital, the amount of capital brought in cash. And C's capital account to A to B, the old partners. This is new partner to old partner with C's capital, C share 48,000 का 1/4 किया था ना वो, this is this amount, his share of goodwill. This is distributed in the sacrifice ratio of 11:4. Current account of the new partner debited from his share of goodwill, and capital account of the old partners credited in their sacrifice ratio of 11/4. The new partner's capital account to old partner's capital account. This is the entry in case the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. Are we clear?